So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Take three. Take three of me trying to record this canvas being dry. Took the tape off. Gotta clean up these sides, because that's horrible. But I enjoy how the colors actually spill over the rim. There we go. I think that's dope. And then the texture itself. This is the end I messed up. Oh no, I take that back. This way. This is the end I messed up. Cause I didn't have enough paint on my outside to get it over. Right? I don't know. Feel like carrying out from waterfall acrylics. Is this the right way? I want to say it's this way because it was all that black in the bottom, remember? So yeah, I like the texture of it. Painting through my paint, I get to feel my paint because it's not smooth, man. I miss my mama. My health is doing crazy stuff. And painting is my breakaway from coding because it's driving me nuts. So I do exercises to keep my mind fresh. Coding exercises to keep my mind fresh. But I believe I found a good little outlet. Possibly. I don't know. It's a slither for now. I gotta admit, I'll take whatever positive hues I can get out of this. I feel a little bright on some days, right? But most I'll be like, my pain levels have me like this. Yep. Thanks for watching. This is my first finished work that I've actually kept. I threw the first one away. So this is my first, but second. Many more to come. I'm out. Peace.